Let's take a breath together and enter a time of meditation. A time for the practice to connect mind, body, and soul. With our history, with the world, with that which is beyond all of these things. That which is beyond words, beyond thought, beyond division. So we simply arrive this morning for the practice. Letting everything that shows up be present, because it is. Letting everything that arises inform us, because it can. So we notice what we feel and what we think. Lightly with mindfulness, we simply acknowledge and make note as we connect with the breath. And with the breath this morning, we connect with the practice. The practice of simple awareness. Awareness of the body and where we notice sensation. Awareness of the mind. And then we bring our attention from the head to the heart, as if breathing through the heart itself. As if inhaling and exhaling the moment. Remembering there is no place to go. There is no thing to do. We simply become present. Enter awareness. Breathe. There is no place to go to get more God. All Godness is right here, right now, available. Accessible, unlimited. Abundant. As we inhale and exhale, this very knowing fills the body temple from center to circumference, from head to toe, as we say yes to all of the love available to us, in us, through us, and as us. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. And so it is. Namaste.